Hey guys, welcome everyone, and today we'll be discussing about content unavailable view. So by seeing this thumbnail, I guess you must have understood what it is. But let me show you a quick demo to give you a brief what we'll be building today. Okay. So suppose this is an application where you are seeing a list of products, and whenever you search any product, let's say I want a green iPhone. Okay, you can see it green iPhone. At the same time, let's say if you need a pink iPhone, you get a pink. And at the same time, when you click on it, you will see a detail. But now comes the place where we can use content unavailable. Let's say, for example, I want an orange iPhone. See, there is no orange iPhone available. That's why this view, what you are seeing right now, this is managed by content unavailable view. So there are multiple variation of content available view. So we'll be exploring all of them today. So let's say, for example, the second phase is you click here and it's out of stock, right? We can see something like this. Again, at the same time, if you click this, this is another example of content unavailable view. And this is, let's say, for example, if you get an connection issue or something like that. So this is managed by content unavailable view. Again, it has an action also. But beforehand, what we used to do is we used to create a separate view based on the product requirement. But again, this is for indie developer who don't want to waste so much time on design and then use just Apple thing in Apple way. So I believe you had understood the concept what we will be building. So let's get started. Create an application called Unavailable Content. Okay, team is done. Interface SwiftUI. We'll save it on desktop. Good. Let me resize it a little bit so that you guys can see it well. Okay. Now the project is ready. What we'll do is I don't want it here. Okay. So let's create a groups. Creating groups. So you can see I've made like UI screens, which is nothing but this screen what user will be seeing that it have a view model. Again, the view will be nothing but this single entity and then a model. Okay. So before that, let me take all the assets and move it here. Okay. Uh, I've imported all the assets. It's nothing but my all the colors of iPhones 15. Let's create a model. This will be product model. So this is the product model which will store ID, name, image, and description. Let's move to create a view. So view is a single item list. Okay, we'll be creating this. Let me code it and then I'll give an option to pause it and then you can rewrite it. Okay. Now let's create a view model. This will be a Swift class. Product view model. Okay. Here we'll create a class. Here what we will keep it publish var filter products. Okay. This will have an array of product data. Where is my data? Product model. and I'll create one function which will help me search the item, right? Filter product. This is our view model. It has product, which is a demo items, and then a filter product function, which helps us filter any product. Let's create our product list view. So what we'll be making here will be whatever the view, whatever the data, what model we have created, the image, name, and description will be creating a list here, and use view model to get all the data and show it on the UI. So this is how this is the product list. So let me scroll down to all the views which we have created, views and model, and you just cross verify whether all the codes is matching with the demo project. So this is the model. This is the view which we have created. Okay. And this is the view model. And this is the screen which we have created using list and navigation stack, which will show the list of iPhones and a search bar. Cool. Now let's figure it out how to use the content unavailable view. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll create an overlay. Okay. Now whenever user try to search something and which is not available, we'll show some content unavailable view. If view model dot filter products dot is empty, then what we'll do is content unavailable view dot search. See, this is as simple as that. So the moment you search orange, see there is nothing, and you will get this UI automatically. So no need of like managing the UI based on search, cancel, or adjustment. You will get it by single line of code, and you will get something like that. But let's say, for example, we want to customize this. Okay. So what we can do is we content unavailable view. See, you get so many options, right? Title image, description, title system image, and all this. So you guys can explore it. So let's do with title, no product, and with the system image. Now let's try to search again. See, right? Now let's do something which will have an action item also at this. What we can do is content unavailable view. Inside there, we'll write a label which will be like no product found. Okay. And in this, we'll have a description which will be nothing but which will be text like search again. Cool. And now it will have an action also on top, and that action will take button. The button title will have like, let's say, reload. Okay. And whatever the action will be, it will be printed here directly. System image, let's say apple.logo. Cool. Now, so whenever we try to search anything which is not available, you will get a label, image, a text, and a button. So let's search. See, there is nothing, right? No product found, search image, and there is a reload button. Again, if you want to like try to customize custom unavailable view with something else, you can explore all the function available in the parameters. Content unavailable. See the title and image, title image description, title system image, and system image with description. So hope you guys has like learned something new today.